Welcome back to the Osteophysio Physio YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a full routine using a massager gun to help with anterior shin pain. So shin splints, which is very common among runners and can be incredibly painful. So I'm going to be talking through which ones we're going to be using. So we're going to be using a wider head to get into the larger surface areas of the muscles that are causing pain and tightness around the front of the shin, and then we're also going to be going a little bit more specific into certain areas of tightness to help get that area moving, to relieve any kind of pressure and soreness, and to help reduce the pain. So we want to target with that general release initially, looking at the tibialis anterior, but also a little bit through the peroneal muscles. So if we're looking at the tibialis anterior, we want to go from the front of the foot right the way up to the lateral part of the knee. So almost like the cushiony part of the shin that you'll feel. So very similar to what we did with plantar fasciitis. You want that general release coming up into the belly of the muscle. Almost think about it getting blood flow into that area. And then when we target the peroneals, we want to go slightly more laterally on the side of the lower leg and release all around there. So I would aim between 30 seconds to a minute to release through this area. You'll feel like a general ache if you're suffering with the shin splints and the tightness through here. So you'll kind of instinctively know where to put the release anyway, but it's really nice to see that guided kind of routine where you're going from the ankle right the way up to the knee. Similar to what we've done before, we then want to release those deeper points of tightness. We're going to find those specific tender points through palpation, so feeling around the area. You'll feel almost like a little nodule, a little lump into the muscle, and then you're going to add the pressure until that soreness releases. So it's so important to release those deeper points of tightness. So I would repeat this right the way around, so going into the tibialis anterior, going around into the side of the leg, and you want to add this in with stretching mobility around once or twice per week, particularly if you're doing this with running.